Good morning, children. I'm Sarita. Now I'm going to teach you the next chapter, Nutrition in Animals. In the last chapter, you learned nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of intaking your food and the utilization of that food by the body. That is called nutrition. In case of plants, they can do photosynthesis. They can prepare their own food by themselves from simple inorganic substances. But in case of animals, they are heterotrophs. They can't do photosynthesis, or they can't prepare their own food by themselves. So they depend on plants directly or indirectly. Let's see. The animals depends on plants. Animals depend on plants for food. Depend on plants for food. And the animals depend on plants directly or indirectly. Directly means the animals which are eating plants. Okay. So indirectly means the animals which are eating other animals or other plant eating animals. Is it clear? The animals which are eating plant eating animals. That means they are indirectly depending on plants for their food. And the food is essential for animals for growth, repair of the body and the functioning of the body. So, the food is essential for growth, then repair and functioning of the body. Functioning of the body. And the food we consume consists of several nutrients or components. Let's see which are the components of our food. Okay. So the major components of our food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the major components of our food. Or we can say these are the major nutrients present in the food. And now we can see these nutrients are intaken by the organism and it cannot utilize by the body as such. That complex components need to be converted or broken into simpler forms. So this conversion of complex food materials into simpler ones is called digestion. Okay, so these complex or components, these complex components of food, components convert into simple forms, and that process is called digestion. So after digestion only the body can utilize it to release the energy. So nutrition is the intaking and the utilization of food. So for utilization, that complex food material need to be converted into simpler forms, and that process is called digestion. Is it clear? And in case of human beings, they are having an advanced system to do this process, and that system is called digestive system. So digestive system. So in higher organisms, they are having an advanced system to do the digestion process, and that system consists of a group of organs which involve in digestion. So digestive system means a group of organs involved in digestion process. Involved in digestion process are collectively called digestive system. Let's see which are the group of organs in the digestive system. Okay, so we can see the group of organs first. So the digestive system starts from the mouth or buccal cavity. So the digestive system starts from the mouth and ends in anus. I'll explain. In between we can see several organs. So the buccal cavity or the mouth part leads to esophagus. Esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. Okay. And the esophagus leads to another organ, and that is stomach. And next, small intestine. Small intestine. And then large intestine. Then a rectum. And finally anus. Okay. So finally we can see anus. So these are the organs involved in the digestive system. And these organs are collectively called alimentary canal. So we can call it as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal or gut. G-U-T, gut. Or digestive tract also we can call. Okay. So these are the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal or gut start from buccal cavity and ends in anus. Buccal cavity means the area inside the mouth. That is called the buccal cavity. So along with these organs, some glands are also associated. And the glands are salivary glands. Then liver. Then pancreas. So these are the glands associated in the digestion process. So these organs along with the glands, digestive glands, together form the digestive system. So which are the glands involved in digestion process or in the digestive system? Salivary glands, liver and pancreas. And liver is the largest gland in the human body. Okay, so liver is the largest gland in the human body. Is it clear? So is it clear about the organs in the digestive system? Next we can see the organs. Here you can see the mouth or buccal cavity. So this is the food pipe or esophagus. Then it is followed by a bag-like structure. You can see stomach. Stomach is followed by small intestine. This area is small intestine, and this large area, this large tube is the large intestine, and this is the rectum, and this part is the anus. Is it clear? And now we can see here. Here you can see, can you identify the parts here? So this is the buccal cavity or mouth. Am I right? Next, you can identify by yourself. Okay, this is food pipe or esophagus. Okay. Next, this is stomach. Then, this is large intestine. Large intestine. And here, inside, small intestine. Then we can see here rectum, then anus. And I taught you some glands are also associated here. The first gland is salivary gland. The salivary gland we can see inside the mouth or buccal cavity. So the salivary gland we can see over here. Next, which is the next gland? Liver. So this is the next gland, liver. And the third gland, you can see an yellow color gland. This is pancreas. Is it clear? So these digestive glands and these organs together form the digestive system. Is it clear about the digestive system? That's all for today.